Hi, my impact catalysts. So right now I wanted to share something that could help you when it comes to getting the kind of products or building the kind of products that would help you make the kind of money you want. You see, the secret to this thing, let me be very open to you. And I've tried to be in all my courses and my programs, but then again, most people still don't get it. They still try to go with ideas that are not really sellable. The secret to this thing is to think through your life. What experiences felt like it was the end of the world that you have survived? What experiences felt like it was the end of the world that you didn't have any hope? You just didn't have any single hope on how to get out of this. And somehow, something just happened. You discovered something and you had an aha moment, and then you started doing something. The problem with so many of us is that we attribute everything we conquer, all the bad times we conquered in our life, to God. Now God do am. No be God do am. Now you do am. Give yourself some credit for a while, because when you can really take in the credit that say, yes, I did something actually. What did you do? I understand saying miracle fear exists, maybe something, but you not sit down for your house, the miracle come with you. You did something. That's the point I'm making. Just mind you, I'm speaking right. I need to be real with you guys. What did you do? For me, I went online and started searching, how do I make money? And I saw something, which is the video by Dingraciosi that explained this, a concept to me. It didn't make any sense, but okay. I started trying it. After going through that process, trying it and, failing, started making money, started buying different courses, and the thing started changing my life. Would I sit here? Would it be nice for me somebody come to me and tell me, my brother, you're doing well though. How did you make it? What happened to you? Or that my friend came to me, Emily, but bro, I saw you doing well. How did you make it? Now God, that is wickedness. And that's what so many people are full of. That's why Nigerians don't grow, because they hide what they know. They refuse to be vulnerable with people. They're scared. What did you do? There's no shame in pain. Everybody goes through pain. But did the pain conquer you, or did you figure something out? That thing you figured out, that's your product. That's the thing that's unique to your experiences that you can sell to other people. Because guess what? There are people who are currently going through that thing right now. They don't know what to do. That's what you sell to them, the solution. And when you do this, it's ethical. You are helping somebody get out of their mess. A mess that you yourself found yourself in the past. This is a secret, guys. I wish I can tell you any more secret than this. But most people will not go sit down and think about the things they've been through in life. What are the things that got you through that? If you learn how to write your story, to tell your story, you are going to make a lot of money. We all have our stories to tell, but most of us are still limited or trapped by the perception of other people. My friend would think, so you want me to now say I was a photographer that was struggling, so my friends will not laugh at me. And so, laughing at you, does it give money in your bank account? Does it train your kids? Most people limit their current finances because of the perception of others. They concern themselves with what their friends are going to think. They concern themselves with people's perception and opinion. And these people will never feel you. They are the same people that will laugh at you. I've been through so many things in my life. When I started creating content back in the day, I was stuck. What my friends think about me? This one, that pass, that you too the intelligent. And most times they laugh at me in my faces, like they make it seem like a joke, but they're expressing themselves. They're laughing. But who's laughing now? Who the fuck is laughing now? Who the fuck is laughing now? My point is this. Go back to your past. Study it. Do the work to calm your mind. That's what the week 2 lesson come into place. Calm your mind and study what has happened to you. Get a journal and record them. Look at them. I buy journals all the time. I just finished one. Look at them. I was journaling when I came to make this video. My point I'm making is this. If you can go through that process, find the pain that you suffered from, then all you want to do is I liked a strategy that got you out. I liked it. Look at the process. You're going to see that you did some things. You took some actions. Those actions you took, that's your strategy. That's unique to you. Productize that strategy and take it into the internet and sell it. All you want to do to sell it is tell the same story that happened to you. This is what happened, and I discovered this, and this is what happened next. If you want to learn more, buy my product. It's simple. Anyways, if I can give anybody a breakdown of how to make money online, this is just it. This is the secret, the truth about everything you need to do. Find your pain, your mess, and turn that into a message. That's your gateway, because that now becomes a unique experience to you. And what you don't understand is this. People are looking for what's unique. That's why Fendi sells, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all these expensive vehicles sell, because rarity, unique. People don't like duplicates. Today, I don't buy any watch that's not original. Why? Because what's the essence of me working hard if I cannot get myself a piece of metal that is worth some few $1,000? Doesn't make any sense. My point is this. Find your pain. I hope this helped you. I hope I was real enough for you. Okay? Take care of yourself.